I have banana, I have an egg, I have turmeric powder. I'm going to mix 3 of them to get my face mask. This face mask is an aging face mask. I'm going to break an egg and remove the water, the white water inside an egg, and remain with only the yolk because it is only what we are going to use for our face mask today. So remove the water, remove nicely, remove again to make sure that it is only the yolk that remains. Remove again, so you see it's only the yolk. Put aside, and I'm going to cut the banana and use just a piece. I'm not going to use the whole of it because I just want few face masks. So I'll remove the cover, outer cover of the banana, then cut in 2 pieces. Cut. Then after cutting, I am going to put 1 spoon, but it depends. You can put 2 spoons, tablespoons, or even 1, doesn't matter. Mix together. After that, I am going to put them in the blender for blending, because after this we are going to blend this mixture. But make sure you don't put any water into the mixture, just blend as it is. I almost forgot something very important. When you peel the banana, make sure that you remove the inside skin of the cover of the banana, like you are seeing what I am doing. This skin is very good for our skin, for our face, so mix it in the mixture and then you blend. So as you can see, this is our mixture, the blended one, very nicely soft, and there is no water added. For the sugar scrub, very simple. I am going to take 1 spoon, 1.5 spoon of brown sugar and put it in the bowl. Then after, I am going to take the mixture of my face mask, 2 spoons, and mix it together with the brown sugar. Mix very well. Then this is my sugar scrub. I have sugar scrub, I have face mask. Very easy, very simple to do.